Scene anchors let you align virtual content with the physical world. In this example, I have a CAD model of a workbench. I positioned tools on it, and now I want to use a headset or iPad to see those virtual tool models laid out on an actual workbench or table. So I need two things. One, an anchor in my campfire scene, and two, a marker in my physical environment. First, let's add the anchor. Just go to the scene inspector and click Add Anchor. Then, to attach it to the workbench, click Place Anchor and add it to the surface of the workbench. You might ask, why is the workbench invisible now? That's because it's now the reference model. The reference model represents the physical object where you're going to place the marker. And if you don't have the CAD for your object, you can use a scanner app to scan it with your phone. Okay, I can see the anchor isn't quite lined up properly. That's important to fix because you need to match the anchor position in your physical space. So I'll just click on the anchor and use the gizmos to adjust it so that I can easily line up my marker with the center and edge of the table. All right, time to print the marker. When you click the Print Marker button, it opens a print window in your browser. The marker needs to be 17 centimeters by 17 centimeters, so that's the default setting. Keep in mind, there are 5 different markers. When you click the Print Marker button in the app, it'll print the marker that's currently selected. So make sure the marker ID in your scene matches your printed marker. Once your virtual anchor and your physical marker are both in place, you're all set. Just open the Campfire project on a headset or iPad and point the camera at the marker. Your scene content will automatically place itself around the anchor, just like that.